tornado hit that area. You could see buildings and other structures just destroyed there. Let's bring in meteorologist Rob Elvington. Look at today's weather forecast. You're tracking at least some pop-up storms right now, but some ingredients right now to build up those storms later, huh?
That's right. Yeah, we're just getting started. It's soupy. It's kind of juicy out right now. Temperatures kind of in the mid 80s, so plenty of fuel to get some storms going. So just getting started in a pretty active Monday afternoon, Monday evening. It's 86 right now in Huntsville, 85 in Muscle Shoals, 84 in Guntersville, and 84 degrees in Decatur. And you kind of see those puffy clouds really starting to develop, and that's been the case over the last hour and a half. And the concern for today all the way through tomorrow morning, we're expecting some heavy rainfall with some of these thunderstorms that develop, and some of those could track over the same location several times. So really concerned about some localized flooding and flash flooding, especially for areas east of I-65 that picked up so much rainfall going back to Saturday. There is that chance for an isolated strong to severe storm with damaging straight line winds, but it's a pretty low risk at this point, but something we'll monitor closely. Look at this. This is estimated rainfall is going back to early Saturday morning. And of course, most of what you see on the map occurred Saturday and into the early morning hours on Sunday. Notice that pink and red closer to Fort Payne in DeKalb County. That's estimated around 8, 9, 10 inches of rainfall. That is a tremendous amount of rainfall in about a 24-hour period. That's why we saw so much flooding in the DeKalb County area, even into parts of Marshall and Jackson County. So you start to get into some of these yellows. That's closer to 3, 4 inches of rainfall. So any additional rainfall on top of those areas could bring some localized flooding and flash flooding. On the way 31 storm tracker early warning radar. Now we're just starting to see the first pop-up showers of the day. These could be thunderstorms though here later this afternoon as we continue to heat things up and destabilize the atmosphere. Bigger cluster of storms though developing off to our southwest, but those are marching in our direction. We'll zoom in a little bit closer. You'll notice that it's mostly kind of pop-up isolated showers. Some pockets of some moderate to heavy rainfall developing right along I-65 right now, just grazing Athens. And these are moving to the east-northeast at about 25 miles per hour. We can even put a track on this guy. It's not producing any cloud ground lightning, and it could get a little bit stronger, but if it continues to hold that track closer to the harvest area at about 1140, Madison Crossroads at 1146, and Hazel Green at 1156. But again, these could expand to even to thunderstorms over the next hour. Forecast wind gusts for today, southwest winds around 20 to 25 miles per hour. And then you'll notice right around about 10, 11 o'clock tonight, the winds kind of drop off. That's that wind shift with the cold front coming in, and that will really put an end to that severe threat for most of North Alabama. Future radar and satellite, this is right around 1 o'clock here this afternoon. Doing a pretty good job of showing some of these early scattered showers and thunderstorms. As you get into some of these brighter reds and these pinks, that's heavy rainfall with some gusty conditions. That's not the main event. The main event is this evening with the cold front moving in from out of the northwest, and you kind of see the overall shape of that line of storms. This is right around 7 o'clock this evening. That's the main cold front moving into North Alabama. That's where you could get some of those damaging straight line winds with some of these storms. And that line continues to work its way east and southeast all the way through about 11 o'clock tonight. Still holding together some by about 1 a.m. And you'll notice that heavy rain right on top of Marshall County moving into DeKalb County. So again, that's the concern for some localized flooding. Those areas with that flash flood watch in effect all the way through your Tuesday morning, Tuesday afternoon. Rainfall forecast all the way through tomorrow. You'll notice anywhere from a ½ inch to 1.5 inches in those brighter blues. And then the purples and even reds on the map, that's closer to 2.5 to 3 inches of rain. It's a lot of rainfall. And even for those areas in DeKalb County that are in the lower amounts, you could still see some flooding with 1.5 inches of rain. 7-day forecast, we're down to the upper 70s by tomorrow afternoon, and that comes with lower humidity. So a nice drop in the soupy air mass by tomorrow afternoon. And we'll stay dry for your Wednesday and Thursday. And then we start to see those rain chances going back up by Friday and into this upcoming weekend.